figure, and if your answer is not an integer, write it in simplest radical form. So every time you do this, you have to write the formula and substitute in, and make sure you're answering in units. So there's number 6. Number 7 is a parallelogram. So you write the formula, base times height, substitute, and then answer in units. Box your answer. Number 6, the formula, area is 1/2 base times height, substitute, and then answer in units. Okay. Number 9 is a trapezoid, but it's a special right triangle trapezoid. So the height is going to be, if this is a 30, 60, 90, and this part is 6, the height's going to be 6 root 3. So write the formula. So it's area equals 1/2 the height, which is 6 root 3. And then my base 1 is 11, plus my base 2 is 21. So this is area equals 3 root 3 times 32. So the area equals 96 root 3 millimeters squared. So you want to leave it in simplest radical form unless it tells you to round. Number 10 and 11, you're going to use the formula area equals 1/2 diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. So this diagonal is 16, so area equals 1/2 times 16. This diagonal, you're going to have to do the Pythagorean theorem. So it's going to be a squared plus 8 squared equals 10 squared. A squared equals 36. A equals 6. So this diagonal is going to be 12. So the answer for number 10 is area equals 96 feet squared. And number 11, you do area equals 1/2 d1 times d2. Area equals 1/2 times 18 times 13. Area equals 117 centimeters squared. Okay, and then down here, find the area of the regular polygon with the given radius. So I'm going to draw a triangle. It's regular, so all sides are equal, and a radius is 4. So what you have here is a 30, 60, 90. So in this 30, 60, 90, the hypotenuse is 4, the short side is 2, and the long side is 2 root 3. So all the way across is 4 root 3. So you can use the formula area equals 1/2 the apothem times perimeter. Area equals 1/2 the apothem, which is 2, and the perimeter is going to be 12 root 3s. Because there are 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3 plus 4 root 3. So this answer is going to be 12 root 3 inches squared, but it tells me to put it to the nearest tenth. So if I put it to the nearest tenth, it's going to be approximately 20.8. Now there are other ways to do this one. I've seen where you could find the area of this triangle right here. This is a 120-degree angle, and then multiply it by 3. There's 3 of these. You could use 1/2 BC sine of A. You could do that. You could draw this all the way across. You could drop down a perpendicular. So number 3, a square, and the radius is 8. So, oops. So in this case, this is a 45, 45, 90. you could find the apothem. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to make this go all the way across is 16. And so this is going to be 16 divided by root 2, and this side is 16 divided by root 2 if I set up my special right triangles. So I'm going to rationalize this, root 2, so it's 16 root 2 over 2, so this side is 8 root 2, and this side is 8 root 2. So I'm going to use the formula area equals base times height. Area equals 8 root 2 times 8 root 2, so area equals 64 times 2, so area equals 128 millimeters squared. Another way you could have done it, there's 3 different ways that I can think of. Another way that you could have done it is you could have done this triangle right here. This is going to make a 90-degree angle. You can use the 1/2 BC sine of 90 formula to find the triangle, and there's going to be 4 of these triangles around here. You could have did the apothem and then the perimeter, 1/2 AP. Let's do a hexagon with radius 7. So hexagon's special because it makes a 30, 60, 90. So that means that this is 3.5 and this is 3.5 root 3. Oops. 3.5 root 3. So you're going to use the formula area equals 1/2 apothem times perimeter. So area is 1/2 the apothem, which is 3.5 root 3. And the perimeter is going to be, this is 7, so it's going to be 7 times 6, which is 42. So when I round this to the nearest tenth, I'm going to get about 127.3 centimeters squared.